Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today myself Sanila Munshi is going to explain you lesson number 1 of standard 6 in semester 2. Name of our chapter is Mama Angani. Mama Angani means my body parts. Till standard we learn body parts in Gujarati, Hindi and English language, but in this standard we have to learn our body part in Sanskrit. All the body part I have written on the board. So now these body parts I will explain to you. See over here, Dantaha, that means teeth. Oshthaha, lip. Lalatam, that means forehead. Netram, eyes. Nashika, that means nose. Jihva, that means tongue. Vakshaha, chest. Udaram, that means stomach. Padaha, that means leg. Charanaha, that means foot. Kartalam, that means palm. Karaha, that means full hand. Mukham, that means face. Hastaha, that means arm. Griva, neck. Karnaha means ear. And Keshaha, that means hair. I hope all of you understand this all the body parts properly. So now we will meet with our next chapter. Here I am starting your next chapter, lesson number 2. The name of the second chapter is Dakshin Padam. Dakshin Padam, that means right leg. Regarding this chapter, some of the meanings I had written on the board. See this one. Dakshin Padam, to the right leg. Puraha, in front of. Prushtham, behind. Kuru means do. Mandam, that means slowly. Brahmaya, move round. Vamam, the left. Hastam, that means hand. Sarvangam, all part of a body. Khelam, let's play. And Militva, that means meeting together. And Khadam, that means let's eat. So I hope all of you understand these meanings. Now I am starting the translation of this poem. So the poem is like this. In this poem, all the body parts, that means 2 hands, 2 legs and all the body parts are explained like this. Dakshin Padam Puraskuru, Dakshin Padam Kuru Prushtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmaitama, Golakaram Swayam Brahma. It is a poem. So in this poem, Dakshin Padam Puraskuru means put the right leg forward. Dakshin Padam Kuru Prushtam, put the right leg back. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitama, turn it round slowly. Golakaram Swayam Brahma, and move yourself round and round. It was right leg. Like this, now we have to speak about left leg. See, Vama Padam Purashkuru, Vama Padam Kuru Prushtam, Mandam Mandam Brahmaitama, Golakaram Swayam Brahma. That means Vama Padam Purashkuru, put the left leg forward. Vama Padam Kuru Prushtam, put the left leg back. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitama, turn it round slowly. And Golakaram Swayam Brahma, and move yourself round and round. Here we talked about right leg and left leg. Now next in 2 verses it is about right hand and left hand. It is like this. Dakshin Hastam Purashkuru, Dakshin Hastam Kuru Prushtam, मंदम मंदम भ्रामयतम गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम means दक्षिण हस्तं पुरस्कुरु, put the right hand forward. दक्षिण हस्तं कुरु पुष्टम, put the right hand back. मंदम मंदम भ्रामयतम, turn it around round slowly like this. गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम and move yourself round and round. Now about left hand. वामं हस्तं पुरस्कुरु, वामं हस्तं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयतम गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. वामं हस्तं पुरस्कुरु, put the left hand forward. वामं हस्तं कुरु पृष्ठं, put the left hand back. मंदं मंदं भ्रामयतम, turn it round round slowly. गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम and move yourself round and round. Now next one is about the whole body like this. Next one is about both the hand like this. हस्तद्वयं पुरस्कुरु, हस्तद्वयं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितं तत गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. Put the both hands backward means हस्तद्वयं पुरस्कुरु, हस्तद्वयं कुरु पृष्ठं, put the both hand backwards. मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितत, turn them round and round slowly. गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम and put yourself round and round. Next verse is about whole body. It is like this. सर्वांगं हि पुरस्कुरु, सर्वांगं हि कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितत गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. Means सर्वांगं हि पुरस्कुरु, put your all body parts forward like this. सर्वांगं हि कुरु पृष्ठं, put your whole body parts backward. मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितत, turn them round and round slowly. गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम and move yourself round and round. Our last verse is सर्वे मिलित्वा खेलाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा गायाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा खादाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा नृत्याम. That means we all have to do our all work together. It is like this. सर्वे मिलित्वा खेलाम, let us all play together. सर्वे मिलित्वा गायाम, let us all sing together. सर्वे मिलित्वा खादाम, let us all eat our food together. सर्वे मिलित्वा नृत्याम, let us dance together. So I hope all of you understand this verse properly. So again I am speaking whole verse together like this. दक्षिण पादं कुरु पृष्ठं, दक्षिण पादं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितम गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. वामपादं पुरस्कुरु, वामपादं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितम गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. दक्षिण हस्तं पुरस्कुरु, दक्षिण हस्तं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितम गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. वामहस्तं पुरस्कुरु, वामहस्तं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितम गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. द्वयं हस्तं पुरस्कुरु, हस्तद्वयं कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितय गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. सर्वांगं हि पुरस्कुरु, सर्वांगं हि कुरु पृष्ठं, मंदं मंदं भ्रामयितत गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. सर्वे मिलित्वा खेलाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा गायाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा खादाम, and Sarve Militva Nrutyam. This all means 7 verses. I hope you will do practice for these verses at home also. Thank you and have a nice day.